you are going to watch a short skit titled Learn Today, Lead Tomorrow. Let me introduce the characters. Midula as father, Edrila as daughter, Hansika as Velu, Netra as announcer. Scene 1, the dilemma. Dad, I want to learn to read and write. Velu showed me his slate today. The letters look like beautiful birds flying.
Mala, education is for the rich. Who will graze the goats? Who will help me in the hills? We need every pair of hands to work. Learning won't fill our stomachs.
Scene 2, the announcement.
Listen everyone. A great change has come to our village. Our leader Perundalavar Kamaraja has said every child must go to school, no more child labor. And listen to this, the government will give the children a hot noon meal in every day at school.
Dad, did you hear? I don't have to choose between working and learning anymore. I can do both and I will get lunch.
A free meal and education. Is this truly possible?
Yes, it is. Kamarajar believes that hunger should never stop a child from dreaming. He is opening schools in every village. Scene 3, that few years later, scene 3, the transformation. Do you remember when you used to hide in the fields, Mala? Now we know math, science, and history of our great leaders. Yes, Velu, because of that simple decision to provide a school and a meal, hundreds of children like us can dream of becoming doctors, teachers, and leaders. Kamaraja sowed the seed of education, and today we are the harvest. Education is the greatest weapon we can use to change the world. On this Kalvi Valarchina, let us remember the visionary leaders who built the foundation for our future. Let us promise not to take learning for granted. Happy Kalvi Valarchina. Thank you.